Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about is how to find the first and the fourth set of the top-down fuzzing. So I will use one example to explain it in details. Now let's get started. Let's see, here is the example. This is the grammar is here. It's very typical. We often see it on exams or notebooks. So the first step we need to get is the first set. So how to get the first set? Now at first we see the E here, the non-terminal E is the start symbol. So we begin is here. What is the first of E? We check here. First of E is the first of T is the T. So first of E is equals to first of T because they both are non-terminals. So what is first of T? Here is the T. First of T is equals to F. What is first of F? Now we check F here. The first of F is equals to what? It's left parentheses, the ID, and num. So we add left parentheses, ID, num here, and because first of T and first of E equals to first of F, so they are equal. So we just write the same here. Okay, so now let's say the E prime. What is the first of E prime? Now we can see is the plus sign or the epsilon. So we add plus sign, epsilon in set. So So we finished the first of E prime. So now we just need to find the first T prime. What is the first T prime? First T prime is equals to what? Star sign or epsilon. So we just add a star sign and epsilon here. So now we finish all non-terminals first size. So now let's get the follow sets of them. So what is the follow of E? To find the follow of E, we need to see the left part or the right part to see if there are any of the E here. So we found here is a E here. So except we need to add the dollar sign in the star symbol, we need to add the right parentheses here because after the E, the parentheses is here. So the follow of E is equals to dollar sign and right parentheses. Okay, so now we get the follow of E. We need to find the follow of E prime. What is follow of E prime? We first look right side to see if there is any E prime in the right side. So we see the first E prime, the second E prime. There is two E primes here. So we see first E prime. The first E prime is in the first row. So there is nothing after the E prime. So we need to check the previous one. The previous one is E. So the follow of E prime is equal to the follow of E. So what is follow of E? Is dollar sign right parentheses. So we just write the same here. Okay, now we haven't finished it. We need to check second E prime. So after the second E prime is also nothing. So we need to check behind the previous one. It's E prime. So follow of E prime equals to follow of E prime. So nothing add here. We finish the follow of E prime. Now we need to check the follow of T. So on the right side, here is one T and the second T. So check the first of T. After T is E prime. So follow of T is equals to first of E prime. What is first of E prime? Is plus of the epsilon. So y is equals to the plus, we just add here, but y is equals to the epsilon equals to epsilon, the E prime is equals to epsilon. So we can eliminate it. So there is nothing after after T. So we need to check the previous one. What is previous one? Is E. So follow of T is equals to follow of E. So we need to add the follow of E here is $sign and the right parentheses. Okay, so there's nothing, just the 2T here. So we finish the follow of T set. And now we need to get the follow of T prime. So we also look the right side if there is T prime here. So we see first T prime, second T prime. First of T prime, nothing after it. So we look previous is T. So follow of T prime equals to follow of T. What is follow of T? Is plus sign, $sign, and the right parentheses. And now we look at the second T prime. There is nothing here, right? So we look previous, follow of T prime equals to follow of T prime. So nothing added, so finished the follow of T prime. Now last we check the F. It's similar, the same. Right side, first of F, second of F. So look first one. After the F is T prime. So follow F equals to first T prime. What is for T prime? It's $sign or epsilon. So y is $sign, we just write $sign here. Y is equals to epsilon. It's equals to epsilon. The T prime is equals to epsilon. So there is nothing behind F. We look previous is equals to T. So follow of F equals to follow of T. So what is follow of T? It's plus dollars and right parentheses. Yeah, it's here. So now we look second F. What is second F? After second F is T prime. So follow of F equals to first of T prime. It's same of the first F, right? So we finished it. So now we finish all the first and the fourth set of the. This is a SS1 example, but we can also use it on SSK example. This is a very quick way to get the correct answers. So I think this is very useful for us to find the answer during the exam. So yeah, that's it. Thanks all.